Welcome. Today I am with Redmi 9AT and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So the first, let's prepare the good source of light. We have to see a very mess that we have on the screen. Next, when you open the box with your tempered glass, inside you will find for sure the tempered glass and the two wipes, wet and the dry. We are going to start with this one. And also you can get stickers to take off dust from the screen, but in this box I don't have it, so we can use, for example, the duct tape. Right now let's open wet wipe, and unfortunately this one is not wet, it's dry. So if it happened to you, you can use something like window cleaner, so we can simply apply it on your wipe just like that. And let's start with cleaning our screen, so we can make simple moves in the circle, and as you can see, after a few moments our display looks much better. Of course we have to reach a very corner and a very edge that we have. Right now it looks like that, so there's no fingerprints or dust or any other mess. Next you have to go for the dry wipe, open it just like that and make the same moves in the circle, and remember to reach a very corner on our display. Okay, and right now when you take a look on this display, it looks much better. So we can start with installation process of the tempered glass. Let's grab your glass like that, and we have to remove this sticker at the first, so you have to make it like that. And as you can see, it follows with the foil under the tempered glass, but sometimes this sticker doesn't catch this foil and it only comes without the foil. So in this case you have to remove this foil manually. You have to put your fingernail on the edge and remove this foil just like that. Take a look. You have to be patient, and as you can see right now it comes out. So remove just like that, and you have to put the upper section of the glass on your screen. Keep holding it at the bottom part. I think right now it's in the good position, so we can put the bottom part also just like that. And take a look on the display. It goes automatically, you don't even have to press on the display. And there it is. Right now we can use our dry wipe. Just press a little bit. You can also use additional wipe, just like that. And after a few moments we can try to use our smartphone. And as you can see, there is no any problem with the touch interaction, so everything works fine, and you don't have to be afraid of applying tempered glass on your display in the smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.